Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we will learn how to fix fail to connect a Windows service in Windows 10.7 and 8. So this is a Windows 10.7 8 error and we will learn how to fix this error. So firstly go to start menu and type here services. Now click on services app. Now in here find system event notification services. Double click on it. Now select startup type as automatic. Click on apply. Now one time click on stop. Now click on start and make OK. And one thing more you have to do. Now find out this one COM plus event system and double click on it. And also select here startup type automatic. Click on apply, stop and select start. Make OK. I hope this method fix that error, and if this method will not work for you, so one method is the more. Go to start menu and type here CMD. Open the command prompt as administrator. So simple, type and enter the tax NET SH space WIN SOCK space RECET. Now hit enter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog, and you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So now very easy and simple. Close this one and restart your computer. I hope your problem will fix and this both method will work for you. If you like this video, so hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.